Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you explain the suggested questions in your MindSpace application. So here, if we enter the MindSpace application, we can find in Ask Questions the based, as you can see, questions that are suggested for us. If we tap refresh, they will be often refreshed and changed and so on. And these questions are automatically generated prompts that appear inside of the application when you capture a screen, do a note, or start writing, or view a blank page. They are designed to help you think better, write faster, and organize your ideas with the AI. Think of them as the AI-driven nudges that help you develop deeper thoughts, reflect, or do a brainstorm or a plan. So, they are context-aware prompts, such as, for example, what is your main goal today? Do you want to summarize this note? Should this be split into tasks? Or here, as you can see, where to find wallpapers. Here, if you enter any Labubu, for example, topic, we can see Ask Questions again. And here we have these questions again. And the MindSpace analyzes what are you writing, recent edits of this, for example, screenshot or a note. It can just see everything what is here. For example, keywords, tone, or structure, whether if it's a task, a journal entry, study note, or a brainstorm. And why do they appear? Actually, for me, it's very useful, but sometimes irritating. It's because sometimes I want just to make my my own prompt, but they serve to enhance your clarity. Actually, it's very useful if you think about that, because they help you think more deeply about what you're writing or what is on the screen or everything else. They can boost your productivity because they can convert rough notes into task summaries or action plans, help with the brainstorming, support journaling or mental wellness, and guide the better structure. And here they have actually 3 or 4 types of the questions. For example, reflection, wellness questions, clarifying questions, create and brainstorming questions, or even summarizing and reviewing questions. Apart from that, here we do have the organizational questions that are sometimes based on what we are writing, but it's rarely seen. And I can tell you how do I use them effectively. It's because I use them as a tap a question to open a quick action, because this may trigger a summary, a rewrite, a structured outline, checklist, a reflective prompt, or a brainstorm window. You can use them as a thinking guide for you, because even if you don't tap them, they help you shape your thought process. For example, when writing a note. You can use them with the Gemini, because Gemini is very, very good for making some notes, and enable and disable the granularity, which inside the MindSpace setting you may find options like smart suggestions, AI assistant, and writing prompts. And actually, you cannot write your own suggested questions, but you can influence them or just make your own prompts, like for example here. Ask them anything about their memories. And actually that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.